Are you getting ready? You have candy in your hands? Alana, are you ready to give candy to the kids? Yeah, they have to knock first. They have to say trick or treat. And then you give them candy. Are you ready? Are you going to go get more candy?
Alana, I think there's kids coming to the door. I think they're coming to the door.
Are the kids coming?
Are they coming to the door?
You got to grab candy to give to the kids.
To the kids?
Okay, go get ready. Go get ready. Yeah, whoops, you dropped it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you got it.
I think they're coming.
Are they coming?
They're coming. Are they coming?
Oh, go get ready. Are you ready?
You give it to them through the door?
Oh, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Oh. Oh.
Can you hear them?
Can you say trick or treat?
Can you hear them? Knock, knock, knock.
No, don't put it in your mouth. Oh, here they come. Hey, you want to record? It's still going.
You should probably turn that light off, though.
Okay. Are you
That's okay.
ready?
Actually, I can.
Are you
If I
ready?
stay.
Almost. Almost.
This isn't a country where plans
Oh,
are made at
she's
night.
trying to open the door.
This is America, man.
Oh, you're
Over
screaming.
the highway, last-minute detours and spontaneous acts of
Okay. Whoa, here we go. Are we opening doors? Here we go. You gonna give a candy?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
I'm trick or treating all by myself.
Yes, you are. You guys are hitting houses twice. Bye.
Oh, they are?
Bye. We've already seen them.
Oh.
We got those kids twice. Oh, that ribbon sticking through.
Say Happy Halloween, Alana.
Alana, turn around and say hi to Daddy.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Nice monkey costume.
Are you trying to decide what you get? Let's see. Those are Whoppers. Whopper. Can you say Whopper? And that's a Kit Kat. Another Whopper. Whopper. Whoa, you have 3 Whoppers, huh? What about a Milk Dud? Milk Duds. It's in a box. Are you making a pile? It's a nice looking pile. Yeah, Whoppers. You're just going to empty the whole thing?
Yeah, she's getting her selection out that she likes to give.
It's a lot.
Yeah, you got a lot of Milk Duds already, so, or I mean Whoppers. Why don't you get some more? Get some more Milk Duds. Get some more Milk Duds. You already got enough Whoppers.
Is that what you want? Is that what you want to give the kids? Oh, you dropped one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Disaster. Oh. Almost.
Alana, why don't you grab a Milk Dud? Grab a Milk Dud.
The Milk Dud.
Remember the box, the yellow box?
Here's a Milk Dud. Milk Duds.
The kids doing the claw.
Pop.
That's what they do around here. That, the
Are you going to sort the candy?
that tonight.